This kind of semiconductor refrigeration piece with our household refrigeration water dispenser is the same. The price is about 10 yuan or so. A piece of thermal grease is first smeared on the back of the thermal insulation cotton, and then the semiconductor refrigeration sheet is pasted on. The cooling sheet is also coated with silicone grease, followed by the assembled cooling fan. When placing refrigeration pieces here, we should pay attention to distinguish between refrigeration and heat dissipation surface. Now we're going to assemble a little fan for this big radiator, and then the next step is to take care of their wiring, to connect the wiring to them. After that, install the cooling system into the air conditioner. This side of the big fan is the heat dissipation surface, to the shell out of the appropriate hole, and then the heat dissipation surface is installed outside. The next step is to apply a little hot glue to the air outlet shelf, and then place 2 fans to blow out the cool air. The gap in the air outlet is shielded and secured with foam boards. Then continue to use some foam blocks to make the air conditioner's front wheel. Consider for the beautiful sex of air conditioning here. Connect the lamp bead with a row of color to its periphery again. After he's hooked up, test him with electricity. Then turn off the lights, and you can see the atmosphere coming out. Now go ahead and wire it up and sort it out inside in order to avoid clutter. You can paste a layer of double-sided adhesive. Put the wire to it paste on the shelf. Next, work on the outer shell with a manufactured top cover and some wind shields for air outlets. Then I found an electronic thermometer, which can be used to check the cooling temperature of the air conditioner, a power control switch and a motor governor for speed regulation. Install the thermometer above the air conditioner. Then find 2 DC power sockets. Run the cable through the bottom of the air conditioner and install the governor and switch. Then connect their lines together, and finally cover the top of the air conditioner, and the whole air conditioner is made. Now connect it to the power plug in the socket, and then turn on the air conditioning switch, and adjust the temperature of it. The air conditioning immediately began to cool. Cold thermometer temperature will slowly also decreased. So, what do you think of this homemade air conditioner?